If you have a house in Maumee, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it fast, easy, for cash, look no further. This video is absolutely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, we've been buying houses in and around Maumee, Ohio. We love the Toledo area, and we love the opportunity to work with you as well. The reason people like working with us is we keep things simple for you. Simple is the key. We're going to buy your house in Maumee, and it's as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away and waste your time and coordinate people. There's no, hiring a contractor and junk removal. There's nothing like that whatsoever. We will buy your house in Maumee, and it's as-is condition, and we're going to pay cash. So that means there's no approvals needed from some type of lender or some type of bank. See, that's what you get with a traditional type of buyer. The type of buyer that's driving around with a real estate agent, this type, first off, if they're driving around with a real estate agent and you sell to them, chances are you're going to have to pay a commission. With us, there's no commissions whatsoever. There's no fees, there's no fine print, there's no fancy language. It's just a straight up purchase. We're a direct buyer, you're a direct seller. Anytime you could remove a middleman, you're always going to end up better off. But when you work with these traditional buyers, not only do they sometimes have a realtor involved, a real estate agent, but now you got this lender. It's like a mortgage company, and they need to do a formal inspection. Now they need to do a formal appraisal. And you're sitting here, you're looking at your watch, like, when are we going to close this thing? And then they come back with a laundry list of things that they want done. Who's going to fix the property? Are you going to fix the property? Now you're coming out of pocket. Now you're managing a construction crew. What is going on? You're wasting your time completely. So if you have a house in Maumee and you're looking to sell it fast, easy, for cash to a true as-is buyer, give us a call. Our phone number is 614-300-5151. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We're locals. I want to stress this. We're not some call center listed, in some foreign land. We're not some faraway company. No, we're here in Ohio. We love Ohio. We're from Ohio. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. We're going to treat you fair. And when we get on the phone with you, we just need to know more about the house. So give us more information on the house. That's perfectly fine. And then we want to know more information on your timeline. And this is very beneficial. This is often overlooked. But when you sell to us, because we're buying it in its as-is condition and we're paying cash, you pick the timeline. We're closing on your timeline. When you're working with these traditional buyers, you're closing on the lender's timeline. So it's going to be very easy. We just want to know more about the house and your timeline. From there, we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Maumee house. If it works, if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward, we'll make it happen, communicate with you very clearly throughout this whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you for any reason, that's okay. Just let us know. We can shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be added pressure. There's never going to be, fake urgency and sales tactics and gimmicks. No, you know it as well as I do. Ohio people don't act that way to each other. We're here local, and we look forward to speaking to you, or at least sharing with you what options are available in working together. We have a ton of references, and we have a ton of testimonials. So once again, my name is Dave Perchin. Our phone number is 614-300-5151. Our website, if you prefer to go online and fill out a little form and we'll set up a time to speak, our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, even though it says Columbus in the website name, we buy in Maumee, we're all over Toledo, we're statewide. We buy in Cleveland, Mansfield, Toledo, but we love Maumee, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you and talk about the house. So once again, my name is Dave Perchin. Our number, once again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.